Neil, I was very impressed about for the
E-commerce.
e-commerce offline store that you have launched.
The models.
And I know Aditya has been very passionate
Yes.
about lightweight jewelry.
Very much.
Silver also he has been promoting for I think many years. What was the name of the brand?
It's Anaira.
Izara होता.
Now it is Anaira.
हाँ, so see आपको यहाँ समझने की बात यह है कि जब entrepreneur या ओनर होता है जो उसको पता है विजन है this is going to work. I think it has taken more than 10 years. And मजे की बात तो ये है और खुशी की बात ये है कि they have been able to get funding also. It is very rare to get funding. Traditional jewelers they have got a lot of money. वो पैसा तो कैसे भी आ जाता है. अब institutional finance ने लिया आपने private equity होगा. I don't know. If you can share the details, wonderful. But tell us about the story, the journey, how many stores you have, all that jazz.
No, so it started with WHP, like the parent brand, with selling jewelry online. So it started like that.
Your e-commerce.
Earlier, it was like that.
Okay.
Then what we wanted to do was, Aditya uncle had that idea where he said, funding मिळतं आहे पण आता partnership मध्ये funding नाही घेऊ शकत. We can't take the funding in partnership. So what we thought was okay.
We started a special vehicle, separate company.
We made a different company with the same owners and all that. And then
So it's a private limited new
it's
company.
a private limited where we have a PE investor who's there, who comes and then those meetings happen like how for you have to document that and that thing happens. And so we shifted that completely to online only earlier. And in the last 4-6 months, we have developed a model where we are putting stores, making it an omni-channel experience, where if you want something, then you come in that store. Also, we are giving, since we have so many stores in around Mumbai, Maharashtra, where these e-commerce stores aren't there, like something how the SIS model he's doing. We don't have an SIS model, but we do give deliveries there, and then from there, if someone is asking us for jewelry which is there on the e-commerce platform, we do service it to them.
So one very interesting thing that I observed is the very different kind of location you chose. I think Vasai or Nalasopara somewhere. What is the logic? Because the first one you opened in Vasai or Nalasopara somewhere.
So yeah, it was in Nalasopara.
Most of the people may not be knowing where is Nalasopara.
There's another place there.
So what is the logic behind it?
So we have, so the logic with this is, we have a store in Virar,
Okay.
which is very close to Nalasopara, right? So
मी कधी गेलो नाही.
नाही गेले. विरारला मी फक्त store, I had just gone for the opening of the store. After that I was not been there. So like how Dadar Mahim is there, it's like Virar Nalasopara, they're very close by. So the logic to open there was, we had a CRM model which said there are customers there, but
And nobody caters to them.
not catering to it. So since we had good price point, location was nice, so opened there, then we opened in Borivali, then we opened in Vashi.
So as of now you have 3 stores.
Yeah, we have 3 stores.
So Nalasopara, if you talk about a little bit in detail, what is the size of the stores and what is the product mix in that store?
So the store sizes are somewhere from 200 to 500 square feet.
Nalasopara particularly किती आहे?
350, 400 should be something like
आणि
that.
तिथे काय काय विकता तुम्ही?
So there we have 9 carat, then we have CVDs, and 14 carat. That's all.
And own store.
Pardon?
It's your own store.
Right.
What is your experience with lab grows? Because you recently
So
started.
we have recently started, so there is a consumer for that. Just it is that you have to define lab grown very well and not mix it with naturals. And
But you're
there
selling
is a
both?
consumer. No.
Uh-huh.
So lab grows we are not selling in the parent brand. Sorry,
In this omni-channel store you are selling lab grown.
we are selling lab.
And you are not selling natural.
We are not selling natural.
Okay.
And in there we are selling only natural. So if a query comes for lab grown, we direct it there.
Because that is available online also. You can. Fantastic. So 3 stores are up and running.
up and running. Doing decently, making money, yes.
Okay, great.
How much can't tell now.
Neil, celebrity, because you use a lot of celebrities. But
We were with Sharvari till
you were, now
we are not. Like I resonate with what she said. They jump brands so quickly. It becomes very difficult to identify. Once you're a brand ambassador, it is like you represent that brand. And today she's here, not talking about just Sharvari here, just like what she said. It's very difficult to have that face for a longer period and completely imbibe those cultural values and everything. So it's a little tough. It's better to not have someone and just put your jewelry out there, is what we are thinking right now.